Oil and NG has seen high yesterday, while oil in fact has seen close to 110 levels. Now it is trying to trade at 114 levels and NG at 7.4. Now what is going to happen today? Which direction it is going to take? What should be our strategy to make profit? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into crude oil followed with NG. So do watch till the end and do listen to it carefully. On the hourly chart, there is a little resistance here at 114.7 levels for crude oil now, and it is trying to reverse. That is what we should look forward to. Yes, you can take a long entry at 115, but see these three candles perfectly getting a resistance at 115.8. So I'll be watchful of 115.8 and 116. I have always maintained 116 is definitely a stronger resistance. Once it trades above 116, we may see a rally till towards 118 levels. The oscillator there trading in red part of the, but it is however in a positive territory but trying to converge and cross over for a sell side. Directional movement is bearish. The MACD is trying to converge to the RSI looking upwards. The stochastic is looking bullish here, and if you look at the 2 hour charts, it appears it is trying to show you a little reversal. See, it is coming out of this channel. Once it trades below beyond 114.8, we can expect it to rise a little, and then one can expect 115.8 levels and 116 levels. So beyond that it may continue the resume the bull run, and then one can expect 117 and 118 levels. The oscillator there in the negative side of it but trying to cross over for a bullish entry. The directional movement is bearish here. The MACD is trading green, trading flat. RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the stochastic, this is also looking downwards. It was overbought now. Now look at the 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour charts, couple of observations to make. See, it is getting the resistance here from this 20 period moving average situated at around 115 level. So be watchful of 115. We have seen three lower highs consistently in this candle. We can expect it to give you another red candle on the 3 hour charts, and the next candle probably will open low and then continue the downward move. This is my expectation. Hence any long entry should be limited only above 115 levels. Now this we have to ensure. The oscillator there trading in the bearish side of it, the directional movement is bearish and divergent. However, the MACD has just crossed over and it is wide divergent and it is still bullish. Be watchful of that. RSI trading flat and stochastic is overbought here. Now, if you look at the 4 hour charts, on the 4 hour charts, we have seen it giving lower highs here. And if you consider this as the channel, the highs there for the day can be at around 115.8. So yes, you can take a long entry at 115 for 115.5, 115.7 levels, and if it breaks 116, then only a confirmed bullishness is there. So if you are a safe trader, wait for 116 and take a long entry there for 117 and 118 till the time it trades below. Probably you can again expect it to reverse back a little on the downside. Now look at the oscillator, they are trading in the negative side, or directional movement is bearish and the MACD is trying to cross over for a bullish entry. RSI trading flat, stochastic is overbought. Now coming back to the daily candle here, on the daily chart, see, one must observe that these three candles, it is trying to give you lower highs here. See, this was a fall here, and if you consider that as a mark or separate breach of the, you can say, the channel there. However, now if you see the 20 period moving average situated at around 116 is definitely a very strong resistance, which will provide it a stronger resistance for any upward move. Also, this is also the top of the channel. So yes, I'll be watchful there, and closing of this candle below 114 and the next candle, so the see, on this chart, on this app, the next candle is yet to start. So if it closes below 114 and then probably the next candle opens below 114, we can expect that the bear run may continue and it can drop more till towards 110 levels again. So yes, below 114 one can go short, above 115 one can go long, but there is a resistance at 115.5 and 115.7, in fact 116 levels. Till there are strong resistance for crude, and only long entry, only safe traders must enter beyond 116 levels for a long entry. At the same time, one can go short at 114 and then one can remain short. One can expect a sharper drop there on crude oil. One can again expect 112 and 110 levels for US crude today. So this is how you can take your positions. And now let's have a look at NG. See NG on the hourly charts, lower highs, higher lows. It is trying to consolidate. Any long entry is above this zone at 7.45. If you see, rather I will say take a safe entry, and one can enter only if you see it trading above 7.5. At the same time, take a short entry at 7.3. In between this zone, we have to be cautious there. The oscillator there trading in negative direction or bearish mode. The directional movement is bearish on the hourly charts. MACD is bearish, RSI is bearish, and stochastic is only thing which is looking upwards on the hourly charts. Now look at the 2 hour charts. Reversal here, it has achieved $8 levels. That is a good thing. It has achieved $8 levels. Now see, this is trying to trade here. Also one must observe, it is creating higher lows. It is creating higher lows here. Previously this was the support zone, then a rally resumed, then now this is trying to create the support here at 7.3, and now probably it may again try to give you a slighter rally. That is again possible. Oscillator there trading in a negative direction, trading bearish. MACD directional movement is bearish. MACD is trying to cross over for a sell entry. That's you need to be watchful of. RSI trading flat, and stochastic oversold here on the 2 hour charts. Now look at the 3 hour charts. On the 3 hour chart, see these candles here. The support there is very much strong. On the upside, the resistance it is getting from 7.5 is strong. So yes, you can go long at 7.5 and you can go short at 7.3. Very clear. I'll still expect that probably we may see a little rise again on NG. Oscillator they are trading in red. The directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is MACD is trying to cross over and converge for a sell entry. RSI near to bottom there, and stochastic is oversold here. And if you look at the 4 hour charts, it is trying to consolidate a bit before it looks over to any further direction. Any break below 7.3 here again will take it downside, and then the $7 levels will get achieved. This appears very clear here. And if you look at the oscillator, it is trading in the negative side of it, indicating bearishness. Directional movement is bearish here. MACD is trading in green, however trading flat there without any divergence. The RSI is looking at the bottom, and stochastic is oversold. Coming back to the daily charts here. On the daily charts, you can see the candle has reversed sharply from $8 levels, and the new candle is yet to begin here. So I'll be watchful of 7.3, and next candle, if it breaks 7.3, we can expect it to give a sharper drop again. Then the $7 levels will also get breached today, and we can expect it to hit 6.8, 6.5 levels. On the upside, breaking 7.5, yes, you can stay long, that is clear. The oscillator has come back to the sell side now. It was trading bullish till now, and this is the first time it has come back to the sell side on the daily charts after a long green stint. The directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. MACD is wide divergent and bearish, and RSI looking downwards. The stochastic is near to bottom there. So see, only short entry. If you see it trading below 7.3, go short again. Then I will expect 7.1 first support, and $7 as the next support. If it breaks $7, one can expect 6.82 and 6.7 levels. In fact, 6.6, 6.5 can also be seen. The NG nowadays is very volatile, so we have to be cautious. Yes, it can try to breach $7 levels again. If it trades successfully below 7.3, you can initiate a short entry at 7.3 for the target of 7.1, $7, 6.82 and 6.7. In fact, it can drop well below these levels. On the upside, trading above 7.5, one can go long. If you see it trading above 7.5, go long for 7.65, 7.8, $8, and in fact beyond those levels also it is possible that it may try to achieve. So take your trades accordingly. On the upside, 8.4, 8.3 levels are a good resistance. So take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, and yes, join my Telegram channel, join my mentorship batch, join my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram ID and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.